Hi, my name is Isaac, and today I would like to introduce you to a smart electric fence energizer. Yes, it is indeed smart. This is giving us only a consumption of 1.6 watts, so it doesn't consume energy at all. It's virtually green. And then also it's delivering a shock of 10 kV or 10,000 volts. To arm it is very simple. All you need is a key fob or a mobile phone. Now, key fob, how do we arm it? Well, you simply would have to press the first button on the key fob and then it's armed. It's now disarmed, but let me arm it again. It's armed, and then if I do a quick test, you see that we have 13.6 kV. That's 13,000 volts. Now, when you put it on the lines with your head bar, you're able to get 10 kV. You don't need to stress it. It's plug and play, yes. It's able to detect what object has come into contact with the fence. And if it's a human being, it's able to measure the weight of the human being and deliver the shock that would knock off that person. So you are not wasting energy, but you are rather preserving the energy to do the actual job. It also has an automatic self-reset. If there is a fault and the fault is being cleared, it automatically detects that there is no more faults. It automatically resets itself when there are no more faults like leaves or any other fault that would come with the fence. You don't need to go to the keypad, disarm or arm. Now, to activate panic, it's also simple. You just need to press this button and then panic is activated. So the siren would blow for like 10 seconds and then it would stop when the panic period is over. If you want to activate it again, of course you can activate it. And this key fob is traveling 200 meters in open air. So you don't have an issue, install it in the garage, install it in that basement, and you can use this key fob to control it. So contact us on that number below. So remember, you can arm it with your phone or the key fob, and it's plug and play, and it's smart. See ya. Hey, wait a minute, I forgot to talk about this. Now, this is what we call the amplifier. What does it do? Well, it adds extra voltage to the electric fence. It can give you extra 10,000 volts. And guess what? It is also an arrestor. What does it do? To arrest? Well, sometimes you do have an installation whereby the fence is being installed under high tension. And basically, when fence is installed at those areas, the high tension makes the electric fence not to function. So this guy arrests all the electromagnetic force coming from the high tension and then sends it into the ground and is able to amplify the 10,000 volts also that you will be having on the electric fence. So this is an amplifier, or some people call it an arrestor. So I think that's it. Just click on that button.